Hello. Yeah. Thank you very much, and thank you, customers. Thank you, prospects, for giving us this chance of being here today. It has been a great journey. We have enjoyed it. We have been able to deliver value to our customers all across. And what Mr. Rangarajan said, and what I think I'm overwhelmed about it. They praised us so much, and it's a great thing to hear such things. We started with a dream of building a world-class product, and today we think we have one, and we wanted to be in hundreds of countries. I think we are heading. We already have 50 countries directly, and there is some indirect countries where our banks have gone and rolled out the solutions. So maybe another 15, 16 countries. So we are reaching there. In this industry, in this software industry, we have seen large services companies emerging out of this country, India. But unfortunately, not many product companies have emerged from here. But I think the time is coming, and in next some time, you will see good-sized, big, credible companies coming out. Maybe a Microsoft and Google may not come out, because I think that requires a very different kind of ecosystem. But you may have good enterprise software companies which will provide much greater value to the customers than what is happening currently. The reasons are simple. Many of the enterprise companies which came from the US background worked for Fortune 500, Fortune 1000 companies, where the affordability was very, very different. Now, when you come to this part of the world, or you come to the mid-layer, then you need much more cost-effective companies which are innovative, which can come out with solutions at lower cost. It's not the license cost which matters, because license cost can be lowered any time. It is the implementation cost, the implementation times, which have to be lowered, and I think that's what has to be done. And that's what we have done very well, and that's what our clients are saying. Now, I think what we have been able to do is, after building great products for the first 10, 12, 15 years, we thought that we need domain expertise, we need great implementation team, and I think we concentrated there. Today we think that we have the best integrated solution end-to-end providing team with us. Many of the prospects who chose other platforms have not been able to succeed in that way. With unlimited budget, with deep pockets, you can succeed. I mean, a prospect can succeed anywhere. But when you are working with limited budgets and things like that, then I think you need a much more committed team to work. Now, as we are growing, we are trying to work much more with our partners, system integrators, and expand through them, because ultimately, as you have seen, every year if we keep adding only 40, 50, 70 customers, we are not going to be a world-class company. So I think we are working, so that new directions are working with partners, working with SIs. In fact, we have worked with all of them at one time or the other, but I think we are working much more proactively, which will give you, which will give our customers a choice of going to the multiple implementers. Also, the kind of safety that they can depend on HCLs and Infosys, and in implementing larger projects somewhere else in the world. So I will not take much of your time, and thank you very much. I only want to say that I come here to listen to you people, talk to you people. We do this customer survey, and we make sure that whatever are the findings from there, we try to work on those things. Thank you very much, and have a nice evening.